A quiet place dead zone. Let's go.
Proceed. If I can't sprint, then I might die fast because it's all your fault.
It's all my fault.
Yeah, it's your fault that I can't sprint.
How is it my fault? I'm gonna leave you to die. What?
That's a chew hello neighbor. Oh,
I lost all my things!
so what?
What do you mean, so what? I had like food and like a gun?
Oh, you got a gun now.
Yeah, I had like a sniper. I didn't know. I didn't see the warning shit.
Lol.
It came charging at me. I didn't see it in time. They should add a bigger thing.
I think it's a skill issue.
Oh my god, don't go that way. It's over there. If we die, this is your fault.
No, it's your fault.
Look, a car.
Look.
I need to look for my loot again.
Look,
What?
Look, a ginger.
Dude, why do I keep teleporting behind you?
Haha.
When you crouch, I like randomly teleported right behind you. Stop, don't do it. How are you doing that?
Look, it's a man.
Oh, this is where I was last. There's people here.
Bacon. How do you run?
I run.
Stop.
Dude, badass. They took all the food! Greedy pigs.
Rewind.
Don't close the door on me. Stop! I knew you were gonna do that!
No, he did it. I heard a noise.
Stop. That's you making noises. What was that? Which way should we go? No, wait, not that way. I don't think there's anywhere.
You know which way you should go?
What?
Me. Wait, what?
What?
How do I shift?
Try figuring it out. Click random keys.
Ow. What the frick? I don't know.
Oh my gosh!
That's
Okay,
your
now we're
fault.
lost.
That's your fault.
It's my fault! Dude, it's not my fault! That's why you're dying. I had to turn up my volume on Roblox because I can't hear
Hello neighbor. Goodbye, see you later.
I did not mean to say that.
Hello, I'm your neighbor. Goodbye, see you later. This place was not for you, so see and take it from me. You know?
Yeah. I think that's the guy we got killed and now he was kind of following me.
Among Us?
Not what I said.
Hello, man. Hello. No, I want it. You. Stop.
Fatty.
Mine. Mine. Get out.
Stop. Dude, stop!
Look what I have.
Look what I had.
Oh. Murder mystery.
Stop.
Would you die if I did?
Yeah. Don't shoot me. Here.
Thank you.
Being so kind to you. I'm being so kind to you.
Imagine you
I
just
am?
say that and I just pull the gun and start shooting you.
No. There's a banana in here. Stop!
Funny
I hate you,
moment.
Zai. I hate you, Zai.
Funny
I hate
moment.
you. Give me that banana back. Station.
I'm Spider-Man. Add
Uh-huh.
some funny, cool sound effects. Sing it like sing it like
Do you want to get killed like last time?
no.
Dude, where even is it? I'm dying. I'm dying.
What? How?
Oh my gosh.
How are you? How? Your bandage.
I'm dying.
Why are you dying?
I don't. Oh shit.
What the hell? I thought crouching means I won't die. That's not fair. I lost my pistol.
I think I found you again.
I know. You think?
Oh fuck.
Oh, I'm gonna kill you.
Dude, I can't even fit through this door. Oh my gosh. Um.
Ah! Dude, stop. Holy shit. Stop!
I'm asking.
Holy what? I didn't know it can go in houses.
It went in houses?
Yeah.
Oh my gosh. Is that what the boards are for?
Maybe.
This noob was throwing these little fiery things, these so the creature can go attack me, and then it did.
Oh my god, that's your fault.
So you're siding with the noob. So you're siding with the noob.
No, I'm not siding with anybody.
Then why are you saying it's my fault?
Because I'm a nonchalant lone wolf.
I'm literally right here. What do you mean, lone wolf?
I'm a nonchalant lone wolf.
What do you mean, lone wolf? I'm right here. Gosh, how could you move that far? You were just at the plane area.
My bad.
Oh my gosh, I'm looking for you.
So what do you want, bro?
I need bandages.
Oh,
Oh my god, I died. It's right behind me. Oh my.
she's right behind me, isn't she?
Stop. What do you mean behind me?
Oh, there's
There's a
a
noob behind me.
bacon coming towards you.
I know. Dude, you Dude, what the is that for?
Oh, shit.
Dad, you.
That's funny. I like that.
No, it was so random.
Oh,
I
they're
have a
they're
lot of things
fighting.
too.
I think they're fighting.
They're fighting.
Oh,
Oh,
one
really?
died.
Oh, good.
Not the one that punched you. Oh,
Fuck.
okay. He died from the monster. It's like I'm watching a movie. I've been watching you over here.
You watch me get beat up?
Yeah.
Okay, whatever.
And then I watched them die.
What are you doing?
I'm doing a little funny thing.
That's not a funny thing.
Hey, we should go here.
Stop. Look, it's your favorite color, blue.
And it's my favorite ginger.
Stop.
I said, hello, neighbor. I said, neighbor, hello.
Okay, I'm following you. Are you not gonna go through this door?
We didn't finish the game or get any goals, but it's okay. We tried our best. We tried our best.
Yeah.
3, 2, 1. Goodbye.